What's up guys, Mon here. Welcome back to Hardware Voyage. Meron ulit tayong gaming product to unbox, this time a gaming mouse and it's the glorious Model O-. Ito yung mas maliit na version ng original Model O. Dito sa box it says Model O- Glorious Gaming Mouse. 58 grams matte white. Extreme lightweight gaming mouse, ascended cord, G-Skates mouse fit, and here's their website pcgamingrace.com. This mouse is retailing for 2,995 pesos, less 100 kapag cash sa Data Blitz. This is Model O-, the lightest RGB gaming mouse ever created. It's not the lightest gaming mouse, that would be the Cooler Master MM1 at 52 grams. Pero since hindi yun RGB, the Model O- is the lightest RGB gaming mouse as of today. Quick specs: PMW3360 sensor, one of the best. Omron switches rated for 20 million clicks. RGB, may software, Windows 7 pataas, and 2 years warranty sa glorious, though 1 year lang sa Data Blitz. Alright, unbox na natin. We've got the matte white version here. Let's set this aside for now. We also got some cool stickers, thank you letters, list of other products, huwag nyong kakainin to, and quick start guide. While they're not lying, this is really lightweight. Again, 58 grams lang to, ideal for FPS gamers, makapal yung cord pero magaan at ang ganda ng mouse fit. Black scroll wheel, DPI button, then forward and back. Nagustuhan ko yung honeycomb design, it looks good pero may mga concerns dito like dust accumulation or kung medyo pawisin ng kamay, may coating ba yung internals. So I'm gonna be testing this for at least 2 weeks, then the full review will be up on our YouTube channel. I-discuss na rin natin doon kung anong meron sa mga ganitong mouse, what's with the hype, bakit nauuso ang ganitong design. So make sure to subscribe or at least visit the channel. At yun lang muna para sa unboxing. Thank you for watching. Peace.